Hi flawless skin gang, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Selek Khalil. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for stopping by. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make an acne toner. Have you been battling with acne, different kinds of acne, and you have tried so many things but it's not working? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can make your own acne toner. It's very simple, very easy, and if you want to see how this toner was made and what I used to make this toner, you want to watch this video to the very end. So first of all, we're using very simple ingredients. I'm using xanthan gum, and I'm also using cucumber hydrosol. I'm going to leave a link up here for you to see how you can make your own cucumber hydrosol. So you want to measure out how much toner you want to make. Here I'm just making a 50 ml toner batch or toner size or bottle size. In there I'm adding about 2 to 3 grams of our xanthan gum. To mix your xanthan gum, make sure that your water is a bit warm, and you want to mix it in and keep stirring. So I just keep blending it until everything is dissolved. You have to wait and be patient for the xanthan gum to be properly dissolved. You can as well put it in and leave it for a while to, cure or to dissolve properly. Here it has dissolved to a point where I can add my other ingredients. Now you want to watch this video to the end because I'm not going to list these ingredients in the description bar. I'm sorry, but you want to watch this video till the end. Now here I am showing you how my salicylic acid. I'm using salicylic acid, and I'm using 1 tablespoon. Yes, I'm using 1 tablespoon of my salicylic acid. Salicylic acid can be dissolved in propylene glycol because I used the powder form, so I dissolved it in propylene glycol and then I've just added it into my toner. Salicylic acid works to dry out excess oil that's sebum in your pores, thereby reducing the production of excess oil that can cause pimples, acne, blackheads, whiteheads. So that's why salicylic acid is very, very good. You can also use benzoyl peroxide, but I decided to do salicylic acid on its own. So here I'm just making sure that it is well mixed. You can mix this and then keep it for a while for the xanthan gum to dissolve properly. You want to keep stirring until the xanthan gum is properly dissolved. here. I'm going ahead to add the rest of my hydrosol. Now you want to go ahead to check the pH of your toner. And we are at a pH of about 4.46, I think. And yeah, I'm going to pour that into a clean container. Make sure that your containers are clean. Pour that into a clean container. And yeah, that's our toner. Be sure to like this video, subscribe, leave me a comment, and give this video a thumbs up.